So I could not leave this helmet alone. I am, after I just updated and I took a look at the flames on the video, I realized that I should add some more definition. I mean, it's kind of an inferno. I have these flames going all the way almost back to the very back of the helmet, but once I clear it, that candy blue is going to really pop out, and I think it's going to look awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I will have tutorials on how to do flames here in the near future if you like them. Be on the lookout for that. But if you look at these flames, up close, they really make sense. At least they're congruent overall, artistically, I believe. I might add something right there in the middle, but overall I'm pretty happy with the way that it looks. So yeah, thanks for watching. God bless.